If you're torn between Constant Contact and Moosend, you're probably wondering which email marketing software is truly more feature-rich. Both platforms claim to offer everything you need to take your business's email campaigns to the next level, but which one actually delivers on that promise? Let's dive into the specifics, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one is better suited for your needs. First up, let's talk about the features. Constant Contact is known for its user-friendly interface and excellent customer support. It's packed with automation tools, robust reporting features, and a solid template library. But the truth is, if you're looking for advanced automation or more in-depth analytics, Constant Contact might fall a little short compared to other platforms in the same price range. Next, we move on to Moosend, which offers an impressive set of features, especially for smaller businesses or those with limited email marketing experience. Its automation workflows are quite advanced, allowing you to send personalized emails based on customer behavior. However, while Moosend provides some robust reporting, its interface isn't as intuitive as Constant Contact, and you might find yourself getting lost in the settings if you're not familiar with email marketing. Now, let's talk about pricing. Constant Contact can get pretty pricey depending on your subscriber list size, with their entry-level plans being somewhat costly for what they offer, especially when compared to competitors. Moosend, on the other hand, tends to be more affordable and gives you more features at a lower price point. But while it's cheaper, it may not have the same level of customer support or the polished feel that Constant Contact provides, which could be a deal breaker for some. The next thing to consider is the ease of use. Constant Contact wins in this area. Its platform is known for being beginner-friendly, with drag-and-drop email builders, pre-made templates, and easily customizable designs. Moosend, while not difficult to use, doesn't have the same level of visual appeal or ease when setting up campaigns, especially for those who are new to email marketing. The fourth thing we need to address is integrations. Constant Contact offers a wide range of integrations with e-commerce platforms, social media, and CRM tools. But Moosend isn't far behind, supporting integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, and a few others. However, Constant Contact has a more extensive list, making it a better choice if you rely on specific tools to run your business. But here's the kicker. If you're looking for a platform that excels in automation and segmentation, neither Constant Contact nor Moosend truly stands out in this department, especially when compared to other solutions out there. Moosend offers some solid automation features, but its segmentation capabilities aren't as powerful as other platforms that cater to more advanced marketers. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. Constant Contact gets high marks for its customer service, offering 24/7 support through chat, phone, and email. Moosend, however, limits its support to email and ticket-based systems, which can be frustrating if you're in a hurry. Now, after trying both of these platforms myself, I can confidently say that while both Constant Contact and Moosend have their merits, neither is perfect. They offer plenty of features, but there's one alternative that might be a better fit if you're looking for something more comprehensive and powerful. If you want an email marketing software that combines ease of use, powerful features, and excellent customer support, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. All the platforms mentioned are solid, but if you're serious about scaling your email marketing without limitations, you definitely want to check out the option in the first link. Don't miss out on the best deal for your email marketing needs.